What is the probability of randomly selecting a green marble, putting it back, and selecting a blue marble? All right, this is compound probability. In this jar, we have 20 marbles total. I counted ahead of time. First, I want to pick a green marble. I counted the green marbles, and there's 10 green marbles. So our probability of pulling out a green marble is 10 out of 20. Now we're taking that marble and putting it back. So once again, we have ourselves 20 marbles. So I have a total again. Okay. If I want to find the probability of selecting a blue marble, I have 3 blue marbles. So my probability of selecting a blue marble is 3 out of 20. When you have compound probability, you multiply the fractions together. I'm going to simplify that guy to 1/2. So I have 1/2 times 3 over 20. 1/2 times 3 over 20 is 3 over 40. So this problem, which is called replacement, by the way, because I put my marble back, says what is the probability of getting a green marble, putting it back, getting a blue marble in that order? 3 out of 40.